welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Yah-tah lifestyle. And in today's video we're gonna do another health. In today's video I'm gonna do another healthy breakfast, quick and easy, and also healthy. But before we get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and hit that notification bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment box below what you would like to see. Ask me any questions and I will respond. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, without further ado, let us get into the video. I have 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 banana, 1 cup of plant-based milk. I use almond milk. You can use whatever milk you of your choice. ½ teaspoon extra vanilla, ½ teaspoon cinnamon. So let's get into it. And as I always said, I like my banana to be well ripe. Not spoiled ripe, but well ripe. Like, you know, like with this type of ripe. And it's not soft, it's firm. Pour the oats in. Pour the milk in. Vanilla in, cinnamon in, cinnamon in, let us blend. Now then, grease the pot accordingly, and I like to use this little one here because when I use this little one, the pancakes come out small and neat, small and neat. It doesn't like too big because I like them when they're really small. Okay, this is a taste test. This is something that I've always eaten, but it is a taste test. So, lifestyle crew, this is something you want to try. It's healthy, it's tasty, and it's good. So I just top it off with some blueberries and avocado. Lifestyle crew, this is something you want to try. It's good. It's good. Remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hit that post notification bell so whenever I upload video, you will be notified. And leave a comment in the comment box if you tried it. If you try it and try it and let me know. Leave a comment in the comment box. Try it and let me and let me know if it's something that you like. Bye for today, Lifestyle Crew. Pick up yourself.